What up, guys? This is my 2006 Hummer H3, and I just wanted to show you what a spare tire delete looks like. Came out pretty good. It comes with spacers in the back. In the very back there'll be a little tiny gap. What I used was some weather stripping that I got at AutoZone and just put it around the square, so when the plate gets put on, it makes it flush and tight so water doesn't get in there. It comes in pieces. It comes with all the hardware you need. The only thing you'll need is a rivet gun, because the H3 symbols come separate from the plate. The plate is also a stainless steel plate, and I primered it and bed linered it to match my front end. And then I got the H3 logos and stuck them on there and just rivet them in. I had a rivet gun for some reason, didn't even know it, so it came in handy. They give you these bolts, they give you everything. They even give you spacers, so if you want the H3 logo raised out a little bit for a 3D effect, it also comes with those. I bought this from Badland Industries out of Nevada. If you're interested in the spare tire delete, just type them in on the internet and they're right there. All right, later.